how are you? Happy Saturday. Wait a minute. Today's Monday, right? Well, you're seeing this on Monday. Actually, today is Saturday. I am going to go down to Sidetrack. It's a beautiful gay bar here in East Lakeview in Chicago. And they are doing a fundraiser called the Santa Speedo Run. All the profits are going to the Center on Halstead, which is a beautiful LGBTQ+ center that does a lot of great work in our community. So, with that said, I didn't know fancy lighting and everything today. I just did this really quick because I wanted to do an intro, but I'm meeting some friends down there. I'm going to take some really kind of hot video. But then I'm going to do just a day of kind of going around seeing holiday stuff. So you're going to see that on here. So I don't want to talk too much. But that's what's going on in my weekend. It's kind of a nice little weekend, and we're supposed to get another snowstorm overnight tonight. Lovely. So enjoy the video. Hope you like it. Remember, you can pause it every once in a while to check everybody out. And I will see you on Thursday. Subscribe, like, and share. And without further ado, here's the video.